Good afternoon, Kelly. My name is Sheree from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our 2015 Toyota Camry SE. Come on in, let's take a beautiful look at this beautiful vehicle you chose. As you can see, it has a cascading grille, has projector headlights with great fog lights as well. Really great tires. As we go inside, you'll notice it is beautiful, spacious, and clean. It is silver interior, cloth, and leather, which is a nice combination, which means you'll still be cool in the summertime and warm in the winter. As you can see on the steering wheel, it has Bluetooth capability. You also have cruise control for hands-free, which is a safety feature, which is always great. As you go to the center console, you'll notice it has a backup camera, which it has a bigger screen, which is a touch screen as well. This vehicle is awesome. It is looking for a new home. What I would like you to do, Kelly, is to give me a call so we can take it for a test drive, and it can be in your driveway tomorrow. My name again is Sheree at Tameron Hyundai. The address is 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from Wells Fargo as well as Subway. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Again, the phone number here is 205-380-6250. My personal cell phone is 857-939-3652. Kelly, come and see me today. And at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. See you soon.